Hi everybody, Marissa here, and I am going to be doing my Texas Roadhouse Chili recipe. And I am going to be remaking this video because I've had so many comments on this recipe. And well, let's get started. Okay, so the main question I get is that Texas Roadhouse Chili does not have beans. However, they are completely optional. If you want to add them, go ahead and add them. If you don't, then don't add them. However, the ones that are blended, those are not optional. Those do have to go with the recipe in order for the recipe to taste exactly like the Texas Roadhouse chili. And trust me, the recipe will taste exactly or even better. Well, you be the judge. Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe, hit that like button, and well, let's get started with this recipe. Okay, so while our meat is browning, we are going to get ready to get our other meat, which is this chunk cubed meat, and we are going to add it. Vinegar, cornstarch. These tomatoes are crushed, and we're going to blend. We are going to mix it a little bit more, give it a little bit of more time, and then we are going to add our ingredients, dry ingredients to our meat along with our beans. And like I said, if you don't want to add the beans, don't add them, skip them. Special ingredient. Paprika, just to give it a little bit more darker look.